later, I started getting dead triggers. I was like, I've never gotten a dead trigger. Like, makes me a little bit hesitant. Yeah. He couldn't find anything wrong with it. Just clean it, and it worked again. Now I'm like, maybe I want to. Missing guys have to finish the inside, maybe good. Whatever needs to be done.
Straight out all the sprays.
Right.
That might be something that maybe the hammer spray.
I don't know nothing. I know so little about firearms. I'm more like cars than I am to fix that, and I don't know shit about cars.
I know what you mean. I know how to.
Yeah, okay, that's about where I'm at.
Okay.
Really, yeah, the summertime is not all like heat.
They're brand new, so
Not all like heat around the year, you know. Get it just. So that those are warm. Well,